Hey, hi, how's it going, guys? I hope you're all having a great time. Today, I'm here to show you how to transfer images, videos, documents, and any files you want to move, whether it's from one iPhone to another without needing AirDrop, or from an iPhone to your Windows PC, your Mac, your computer, in a very easy way without cables and all through AirDrop and Wi-Fi. And this method also works for iOS, meaning for iPhone to send files to Android, and from Android to iOS. So if you want to know how to do this and more, let's get started. Alright guys, for this tutorial, all we're going to need is an app called Transfer. I'll leave all the links for you down below in the description of this video. The applications are completely free, both for Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. And just as we download the app on our phone, we're also going to do it on our Windows computer. And once we have the app open on our Windows computer, if we click on Search Devices, as you can see, normally nothing shows up. Alright, our phone won't appear, and yes, it's out of service. For this, we need to have our computer connected to a network, either via Wi-Fi or cable. Our phone must also be connected to a Wi-Fi network, and it should be the same one that the computer is connected to. And for our computer to appear, we just need to open the Transfer app and then search for the device again. If you look now, our phone does appear along with how many files and images we have, our available space, and much more. We enter it, and if you notice, it asks us for an approval code. This code is unique for each login session. In this case, it is 4045. And if you look, we now have all our phone's images here. And if we want to send something to our phone, we just click here on Upload, and we can send images, files, whatever we need. We click here on Open. We go to wherever we also want it to be stored. If we want it in a completely different folder, in this case, I'm going to put it in Recents. I'll click Upload. Okay. And as you can see, with this, it's done, and the image we've sent now appears on our phone. If we go to Gallery, we now have the much talked about image that we didn't have before. Now we have it here, complete on our phone and at its highest quality. And in the same way, if we want to download one of these images, we will select it. We will click on Download, and with that, we will be able to select where, in which folder we want to save this on our computer, what format we need it, if we need it in original format, JPEG, or MP4, in this case, if they are videos for compatibility with Windows. We select what we need and click on Download. We go here to pull Show. And as you can see, we already have the image downloaded and at the highest quality, just like we had it on the phone. I repeat, this works for videos as well. However, the app does have a premium section. In this case, I haven't been paid to sponsor this app, but it does have a premium section that you'll need after selecting 15 images or videos that are too large. In this case, you won't need the premium section if you just want to send voice files from one phone to another. To do this, if we want to proceed, we go to the bottom part where it says Device on our phone. And here, we're going to download this same app, whether it's on Android, an iPad, or an Android tablet. We open the app. Remember, both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi network, and then you tap Search. And through this, once you find it, well, in my case, it seems I don't have any nearby devices, you'll be able to send and transfer movies or whatever you need of any size from phone to phone. I tried it myself. Someone sent me a 7GB movie and it barely took any time at all. Of course, this does depend a lot on your internet speed, your upload and download rates, and the network you're connected to. And with this simple and straightforward application, you'll be able to transfer files wirelessly without any cables or anything getting in the way easily and quickly. Whether it's in your office, on your personal computer, on another phone you have, or if you just want to send information to a family member or a friend, all without needing to use AirDrop. As you know, AirDrop can be very effective, but it only works on iOS mobile devices. It doesn't work on Android as such. And this is a very good alternative for sending large files quickly and with maximum quality. Alright folks, I hope you liked it. I hope you loved it. By the way, I also have another video on how to transfer files from one phone to another, from one computer to another, or from a phone to a computer without the need for any apps, all via the web. If you're interested in that video, don't forget to give me a powerful like and comment down below. Who needs that video in their life? Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Just a reminder, I'm streaming on Twitch. For everyone who wants to support me, chat. We're playing with people from the chat and also answering questions, and solving any problems you might have with your computer or your phone. By the way, I also want to thank everyone who has been subscribing, commenting, and becoming a member of the channel. Thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you so much for all the support you're giving me. And as I say in all my videos, I don't like to keep you waiting. See you next time. Bye-bye.